recently saw my Ulta haul, you must remember that I showed you this item right here, which is a liquid liner. This is the Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner. They do have the Hyper Precise, I believe, but this one is different. It's Hyper Easy, and I have to say right away that I love the packaging. It's like this beautiful black with like this baby pink. I don't know, it's just really pretty. I'm just looking on the website because I don't want to make a mistake. This retails for like $8.99. Obviously, it all depends where you get it. It lasts up to 24 hours. It has a flex tip that won't skip. I tend to have a problem with like liners skipping when I'm gonna do the wing, so we'll see how that works. So it's a pen. This is an 800 pitch black, waterproof. I think the packaging is very nice. It's very skinny. Is not heavy at all. I'm very picky when it comes to liners, so I don't know how this one is gonna work. If we open it up, this is what it looks like. Let me do a swatch here. Oh, wow, that really does bend. That's interesting. Let's just go ahead and start the application and see how it works. Was actually extremely easy. The line is all up to your preference. You can go thicker, you can go thinner. Let's go and do the wing. This is where things could get tough. Only a few liners that will help me achieve a decent wing. As of now, no complaints. Trust me, I'm really tough when it comes to reviewing eyeliners. A lot of them don't work for me. I'm doing the wing, but this is insane. This is the tough eye because I'm a lefty, so alright, this is the best that I can do right now. I usually like to make it a little bit thicker. It depends if I'm putting lashes or not. Didn't bleed at all. Oh my god. Not only the packaging is beautiful, but wow. I only used to use like one liquid liner, and it was from Maybelline. The one that comes like in the gray tube. It never bleeds on me. It doesn't transfer anything. But I've been testing out a lot of different ones, which I have like a whole playlist if you want to see. Is drugstore and high-end. Go ahead and try to like, oh, look at that. Nothing. And I'm doing it pretty roughly too. You don't have to put a lot of pressure. It glides on really easily, and as you see, it's super black, which I love. This you're getting 0.018 ounces. Website, it has 4.7 stars. I guess a lot of people love this. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.